Hi guys. Hi, are you all able to see me and hear me? Very good evening, guys. Am I live? I don't see myself live. Oops. Okay, that was an ad where Milind Soman was seen, guys. So just a second. Okay. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Yep, yeah. Okay. Hi, everybody. Very good evening and a warm welcome to Vedantu J English channel. This is me, your master teacher, Nabamita Ma'am. And today we are here with an amazing and a very excited session that you all were requesting for a very long time. So as you can see, ta-da! Top 10 VITEE. There should have been another E. I'm so sorry, I missed out on it. So VITEE questions, yes, that we are going to do. So the questions actually are, my dear student, if you notice that you will also observe that it's not as tough as JEE level, yeah. The questions are not as tough as JEE mains, but of course it's a competitive exam, so we can't really take chances, and that's why I am here. As we go on, in the upcoming days and the following days also, we will be doing a lot of VITEE session. Don't worry about it. Now that you are here, all the new students, don't forget to subscribe to Vedantu J English channel, and all the old students, they have been here for a very long time. Don't forget to like the video. Yes, you know that this is the only channel where we deal with all the information absolutely in English, no other language. Yes, guys. Right, everybody. So thank you so much to all the students who are already here right on time, everybody. Quickly go and call up your friends as well. And if you want to stay in touch with me on Instagram, Nabamita_Nobita, that's my Instagram account. And now let's begin with the first question without much further ado. Time is of essence. I keep saying that. So here's our first question, okay? Yes, our first question, everybody, is as per the Bohr's model, the minimum energy in electron volt required to remove an electron from the ground state of doubly ionized lithium atom, that is Z is equal to 3 is, by the way, when I'm looking there, I'm looking at the screen. That's right here. When I'm looking this side, I'm actually trying to look at the chat that you guys are, that you guys are talking to each other. So that's what I'm talking about. Is this useful for JEE? Not really. JEE levels will obviously be a little higher than VITEE. Okay, so many students are saying B, many students are saying option B. How did you guys calculate, bacha? How did you guys calculate? Huh? Sabse pehle, the first thing first, everybody, tell me what is the formula. What is the energy formula, guys? The energy formula, I hope that you all remember, it is minus 13.6 Z square by N square. Yes, so let's write that down, everybody. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Here it is. What is the formula? The energy formula, that is En is equal to minus 13.6 Z square divided by N square in EV. Okay. Now for Z is equal to, given to us 3, right? N will be equal to 1 for ground state. N is equal to 1 for ground state. Am I right, everyone? Yes. Absolutely yes. So that means now if I calculate, what will I get? Minus 13.6, or you can just remove the minus also. Z square is 3 square divided by 1 square. I don't even have to do it. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 13.6, if you do, you will get the result as 122.4 electron volt, right? Which means that option D is our correct answer. How many of you got option D? I don't see D. Yeah? I don't see. Manikeshav, I didn't ask you, bacha. I like it, I've kept it. Did I ask you? No. You have to study from me. Please study. You don't have to comment on what is looking good on me and what is not looking good on me. Yeah? I'm not commenting that. So, thank you. Okay. Yes, these are VITEE PYQ. Yes, these are VITEE PYQ. Absolutely right. Very good. Option D is the correct answer. Hand cricket. Will be section for? No, we are not going to do the speech solution anymore. If you want, you can Be a part of our Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, we will definitely send you the PDF of all the days of exams, okay? We will be sending you the PDF, don't worry about it. But right now, there are more other exams that are coming up, so we will focus on those, okay? All right? Yeah. Thank you. What is VITEE? Oh, A. Google it out. That I expect you to know, bacha. If you're asking me these kind of questions, I don't know what to say. I really do not know what to say. Anyway, yes. Okay, shall we move ahead? Shall we move ahead? Thank you, Ankita. Yes, absolutely. Why not? Yes. Okay, shall we move ahead, guys? Are we done with this? Are we done with this? Yeah, are we done with this? Yes, we will also do the aptitude. Don't worry about it. Yes. We will also do the aptitude. Don't worry about it. Chalo. Next question. Acha, oh, this was the place for me to do the rough work, but I did the rough work there only. Anyway, the hybridization of XE in XeF4. Okay, let's do this. XE. Yes, how many number of electrons are there in the last shell? Obviously, it's a noble gas, so 8, right? Now, fluorine, we know that it has 7 electrons in the valence shell. So, if I try to draw the structure, what will it be? 2 lone pair here, 2 lone pair here, and then F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 it is making bond with. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is making bond with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, making a bond here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay. So, that means that, acha, anyway, forget about that. Now, Xe, xenon, what will be the electronic configuration? What will be the electronic configuration? 5s2, 5p6, right? Yes, of course. 5s2, 5p6, right? So, that means if I have to draw the orbitals, S here, yes, S2. And then I will draw P here, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now, this is in the ground state, correct? This is in the ground state. If I take it in the excited state, now that when fluorine atoms are approaching, what will happen? Excitement will happen, right? Excitement will happen. Xenon is going to go to the excited state. At the excited state, see what will happen is, excited state, S will remain as it is, okay? 2 lone pairs, let's draw. So, 1, 2, 3. So, there will be 2 lone pairs. These are the 2 lone pairs that I am drawing. Then here 1 electron, here 1 electron. And then the D comes in picture, my dear student. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So, D comes in picture. Here also, these electrons, they will take this. This means that hybridization is what? sp3d2. Correct? Makes sense, everybody? sp3d2. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everybody? Oops. Something happened. Yeah. Am I right, everybody? Do you remember how we did that hybridization whole thing in the coordination compound chapter? If not, then the coordination compound lecture is right in the session, right in the channel. Please go and check it out once. I promise it will help you. I promise it will help you. Also, it took me 3 hours, a little less than 3 hours actually to record the whole thing. But I have given my best to explain you that. So, please go and check it out. Okay? All right? Yes. Make sense? Make sense, everyone? sp3d2. That means option C is the correct answer. Okay? Option C is the correct answer. All right? Got it? Clear? Chalo. Moving on to the next question, everybody. Moving on to the next question. Yeah? Okay. The X-ray beam coming from an X-ray tube will be. Okay, this is easy. This is easy. It doesn't even require any sort of explanation. I think you all can do this. Come on, answer me in the chat box, everybody. Answer me in the chat box, everyone. Come on. Yes. Go, guys. Go. Go. Come on. No one is answering. Harshini says C. Very good. Yes. So, the X-ray beam that is coming from an X-ray tube will be having all wavelengths, yes, larger than a certain minimum wavelength. So, there will be a minimum wavelength above which all the other wavelengths will be allowed and they will come and hit you from the X-ray tube, right? Yes, of course, option C is the correct answer. This does not require any explanation. You read your book, you read your NCERT, you read your CBSE exam for board exam, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to answer this. Okay, makes sense, nonsense, everyone? Makes sense or nonsense, guys? Yeah? No, Janani, video is not paused. Can you just refresh once? Amazing fun, one thing at a time. But I've been telling you that, hey, I'm not Ravan. Do you see 10 heads here? No. Am I Durga Mata? Do you see 10 hands here? No, I can only do one thing at a time. No, bacha. Yes, in the last class also I told you that I was taking care of EM set. Today I am taking care of VITEE. I will do the aptitude also. You have to give me a little time. Just a little time, okay? Yes? Is that so, Milan? Thank you so much. That's so sweet to know. Yeah. Okay, shall we move on then? Let's go to the next question, guys. And the next question is, which one of the following causes increase in entropy? Again, once again, a very easy peasy biryani tasty. Just use your common sense, my dear student. Absolute common sense, and you will be able to get the answer. See, a liquid crystallizes in a solid. So a liquid, think of water, okay? Water. Aaj blue hai pani, 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 right? Water. Water, when it is becoming solid, that means ice. What do you do with the temperature? You decrease the temperature, right? So if you decrease the temperature, what will happen to entropy? Entropy will also decrease. Am I right here? So here, entropy does not increase, rather entropy decreases, isn't it? Here what happens? Entropy decreases. Now, water vapor condensation into liquid. Condensation, my dear student. Water vapor was in the gaseous state. From gaseous state, it is getting converted into liquid state. So liquid state, that means that from gaseous state to liquid state, what is happening here? Temperature is again getting reduced. That means that everybody, once again we know that entropy is decreasing. Entropy is decreasing. Am I right? Yes, entropy decreases. Acha. NaHCO3 at 102 degrees Celsius, decomposition of NaHCO3. What will happen here? See. So basically NaHCO3, this is in solid state, right? This is in solid state. This you are decomposing with heat, right? With heat you are decomposing. So basically it will go to Na2CO3. This will be in solid form, plus CO2 will be in gaseous form, plus H2O will also be in gaseous form, my dear student. Now what do we see? We see that from solid state to two of the compounds are in gaseous state. From solid state, two of the compounds are in gaseous state. What will happen? Randomness increases. So here, in this case, we can definitely say that entropy increases, right? Here we can say entropy increases, correcto? Entropy increases, absolutely right. So this is the correct answer. Now, just to convince ourselves that no other option are right, let's also take a look at the option D. Diffusion of two similar gas mixture into each other in a closed container isolated from the surrounding. We already know that if the diffusion happens of two dissimilar, as in two not similar gases, then entropy increases. But because there are two similar gas, whatever the state was before and after, it doesn't really change. It doesn't really change. Are you understanding? You are understanding, my dear student? Yeah? So especially, let me give you a very clear example. Let's say that if I had this much hair and if I just got a trim, would you understand that I had a haircut? Would you understand that I had a haircut? No. The previous state and the before state does not really matter. But if I have this long hair and then when I cut this short, everybody comes, ma'am, this hair is not looking nice on you. Ma'am, this hair is looking very nice on you. Why? Because you can identify the change. So entropy here has changed. But if my hair is only this much and if I only just get a little trim, like if I cut only this much, then you won't understand. You will not come and tell me that, ma'am, your haircut. Nobody will be able to identify. So the before stage and the after stage are so similar that you can't understand. Same thing here also. So here we can write that entropy does not change. Okay, entropy does not change. Got it? Clear, guys? Everybody? Yes? So that means that option C is our correct answer. Clear hai? Yes? Clear, everybody? Yes? Got it? All right, all right, all right. Yes, Sati, thank you so much. I won't stop here. I won't. And thank you so much, Ankita. Thank you so much. You're such a sweetheart. All right, moving on to the next question. Absolutely making sense. Yes. All right. Yeah, this is in English. This is absolutely in English, bacha. Yeah. It's possible to crack VIT. I think so. Have you been studying for JEE? Have you been studying for JEE, or have you been studying for NEET, or have you been studying for board? I think you can clear it then. Because VIT is not that tough. It's not as tough as your JEE level, right? I think you will be able to clear it, yeah? Thank you, Vishnu. Thank you so much. Studying NCERT. Manika will, how about, let me make a separate video about how to approach your VIT, okay? How to approach your VIT exam. I should be able to put it up in 2 or 3 days, okay? Let me just look through how you can actually approach and what are the books that you can refer. I'll let you know about it, don't worry. ठीक है? IIT or VIT? This is about VIT, bacha. This is about VIT, okay? Oh my God, Sanjay, that's such a huge thing. Yeah, thank you so much. Please do write it in the comment section. I would like the other students also to know about me. Anyway, the reaction that takes place at anode. Oh my God, look at this question. This question has come. Can you believe it? This question has come. Do you remember what did I tell you? What did I tell you, everybody? Huh? Everyone knows, right? Anode oxidation. It is AOCR, or you can write it as RCAO. 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 Okay, RCAO. So oxidation happens in anode. Everybody knows this, right? Everybody knows this, isn't it? Yeah? Right, guys? Right, guys? Don't worry, Sri Taruni, I'll tell you all about it, okay? I will tell you all about it, yeah. Okay. I will, don't worry, everything will be done. Okay, yes. Yeah, I know, exactly, super easy. Chalo, now, which of the following statement are correct about trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane? 2 methyl groups can exist in diaxial orientation. Because I know the structure, I can say that yes, option 1 is correct. Number 2 says 2 methyl groups can exist in axial equatorial or equatorial axial orientation. 2 methyl groups can exist in di-equatorial. Let's do one thing. Let's look at the structure. See, di-equatorial. Yes, what are they saying is this is how the structure is, right? This is how the structure is. Yes, everybody. CH3 here. If you can see, one CH3 here. This is H and this is H. So this is what? This is di-equatorial. All right. This is di-equatorial. Then when you look at this structure, what is happening here? This is where you can see diaxial. This is where you can see diaxial. So that means that both 1 and 3 are correct. Option D makes sense to us, right? Option D makes sense, right, everyone? Yes, right? You don't know the structure. That means you have to take a look at the structure, okay? Learn from your weaknesses. What is your weakness? Then from this question, you understood that you do not know the structure. That means in organic chemistry, just take a look at the structures a little bit more, okay? So that you are able to answer this, okay? Yes, so this was also easy peasy biryani tasty. Mock test, we'll do that, everything will be done. Don't worry. You have so many doubts. Why? Yashwan, then you have to take a look at it, okay? English and aptitude will be done, guys, will be done, yes. Chemistry for VIT for theory. Aman saying if we try to learn theory now, when is your exam? 17th, no, bacha? Theory, I'll have to expect you to do it. You know what? I'll do something about theory, don't worry. Okay, I'll do something about theory. Chalo. Moving on to the next question, everyone. Find the correct order of their boiling points of the following alcohol. Methanol, N-propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. Yes, who can tell me this? Who can tell me this? Come on, guys, who can tell me this? Yeah, Janani will do that. Yes, who can tell me this? What's the answer? What's the answer, everybody? Anyone who can tell me the answer? Option B, some of them are saying option B. Okay, some are saying option C. Okay. All right. So I can see mixed answer. The correct answer is option C. Now the explanation, guys. Let's look at the explanation. See, we know that the boiling point of alcohol, it increases when you increase the number of carbon in the carbon chain, right? You increase the number of carbon, what happens? The boiling point also increases. Now, what happens as you start branching it more, the boiling point decreases. As you start branching it more, the boiling point decreases, because then it takes lesser amount of heat to break it off, because they have branched, right? They have branched so much that now you can easily break it. And hence what happens is we see that methanol, then comes isopropyl alcohol, and then comes N-propyl alcohol. Okay? Yes? Understood everybody? This explanation is clear. Again, when it's easy peasy, biryani tasty. Now, reaction of dash with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis yields ketone. Let's see. What do we know, guys? Don't we know this? What is this? What is this? Do we know this, guys? Huh? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Tell me. Sahiti, very good. I can see that. I can see that. Why methanol? The explanation was already there, bacha. The explanation was already there. Tell me, what is the answer? Huh? What is this? Alkyl nitrile. Alkyl nitrile is the correct answer, isn't it? Alkyl nitrile is the correct answer, right guys? Right everybody? Yes? Why is this thing coming up again and again? Okay, alkyl nitrile is the correct answer. Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Benzoic acid can be prepared from toluene by treatment with. You tell me. Okay, this is also very easy, guys. I think you can do it. I think you can do it. Tell me. Ungaming, you can definitely try. I'm not very sure if you can. It depends on students to student, of course. But try. Why don't you try it? Try it. All right, guys. So let's make toluene here, right? Yes. Now what will happen, guys? Now what will happen? If I write it, then you will be able to answer. That's why I'm not writing it. That's why I do not want to write. Very good. Some of the students are saying option A, option A, option A. Yes, you guys are absolutely correct. Yes, you guys are absolutely correct. The correct answer is KMNO4 KOH. That means alkaline KMNO4. Okay, alkaline KMNO4 is the correct answer. Absolutely right, guys. Absolutely right. Okay. All right, moving on to the next question, guys. The number of amino acid units present in insulin is, oh, come on, don't make a mistake here. Come on, don't make a mistake here. I want to know it. I want to know it. I'm so sorry, Ashutosh. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Shrikhar. I did not see it. So sorry. Yeah, please, please. Don't get angry, huh? Don't get angry. You know, right? I mean, I can't see everywhere. I'm trying my best. I'm so sorry. Please don't mind. Very good, Sanjay. Very good. So many other students. Manideep, Anna Roslyn, Vanita, Sankara, Aryan, Meena Krishnan. Well done, absolutely right. Yes, it is option 50, option B, 51. So you can see it here also, guys. You can see it here that the A chain, this has 20, and this one, the B chain, has a 31, okay? This one has 21 amino acid, and this one, sorry, I said it the ulta. This one has 21 amino acid and this one has 31 amino acids, and they also have disulfide bond here. Yes, they have a disulfide here and they have an additional disulfide here. Okay, so basically, if I have to, just let me write it down here. These ones, they have 21 amino acid here. All right, yes, and this one, they have 30 amino acid here. Okay, together they have 51 units of amino acid. Chalo, moving on. The set of quantum numbers not allowed in the hydrogen atom is, oops, you don't even have to do anything, guys. Don't even have to do anything, everyone. Chalo, let's make the why is this happening again and again? Okay, let's make the table, okay. See, n can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? L, what can L take? L can take any value like 0, 1, ... but n minus 1. Am I right, everybody? Am I right, guys? Am I right? Gandhar Dhode. No, I think there is a slight mistake that you're making, but chalo, no problem. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this, everybody. Okay, ML. Okay, ML can take what? What are the values? It can take minus L to 0, comma 1, comma dot 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 to L. That means n minus 1 value. Now let's take a look at it. Acha, n is equal to 2. Yes, n is equal to 2. N can take 2 value. Yes. L will be taking 1 because n minus 1. Yes. So makes sense, right? This makes sense, correct? ML or ML is supposed to be minus 1. Makes sense? Makes sense. Option A is correct. Option A is correct, right? Option A is correct. N is equal to 3. When n is equal to 3, we want L is equal to 2, right, everybody? This also makes sense. And ML is also supposed to be 2. Makes sense, everyone. Now see, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3. Makes sense. But ML is equal to 4, can it? No. It can take L. That means n minus 1. If this was 3, then we would have said that yes, this is correct. But this is the one that is the wrong. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. All right? Yes, guys. Makes sense, nonsense, everybody? Do we all understand this? How to calculate this? How to solve this question? How to approach this question? Do we all understand this? Yup. Yes? Okay? All right? Yes? And guess what? With this note, the 10 most important questions, these are the type of questions that will definitely come in your VITEE exam. Solve more of these questions, yes. If you have any reference book, you will find a lot of questions like this in the backside of the reference book, or if you can take a mock test, then please take a mock test. I swear to God, these kind of questions will definitely come in your exam, okay? All right, with this note, everybody, I think this is the end of the session for today. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will come up with more sessions like this. Don't worry about it. Yes, and I think from 15th, I might be on a leave because I have to go somewhere. So what I'll do is I'll definitely record some videos for your VITEE EEE so that you watch it. Your studies don't get hampered. I'll definitely do that. And I'll be back on 19th of this month. So from 19th, we will again start with our other exams, okay? All right, till then, study well, take care, stay safe. Thank you so much for coming up here. All the very best to you, my dear students. Lots of love and good night. Bye.